Welcome to this trigonometry lesson. Today, we are going to master the double angle formula for sine. Specifically, we will look at how the sine of 2 theta expands into 2 sine theta cosine theta. This is a powerful tool in mathematics that you will use frequently. Here is the core concept. The sine of a double angle, written as sine of 2 theta, is equal to 2 times the sine of theta, multiplied by the cosine of theta. It relates the sine of a doubled angle directly to the sine and cosine of the original angle. Before we move forward, let's address a very common mistake. Students often think that sine of 2 theta is just 2 times the sine of theta. This is incorrect. For example, sine of 60 degrees is not 2 times sine of 30 degrees. You absolutely need the cosine term for the equality to hold true. Where does this formula come from? It is derived from the sum identity for sine. If we take the formula for sine of a plus b, and we simply replace both a and b with theta, the equation simplifies. Sine of theta plus theta becomes sine 2 theta on the left, and the right side combines to give us our formula. Let's visualize this on a unit circle. Here, the yellow line represents an angle theta, say 30 degrees. The red line represents double that angle, 2 theta, or 60 degrees. The formula allows us to calculate the coordinates of the red point purely by knowing the coordinates of the yellow point. Let's verify this with numbers. If we use 30 degrees as our angle, the left side becomes sine of 60 degrees, which is the square root of 3 over 2. The right side becomes 2 times sine 30 times cos 30. When we multiply these values out, we get the exact same result. The formula works. Here is a classic problem type. You are given that sine of theta is 3/5, and you need to find sine of 2 theta. First, draw a triangle to find cosine of theta. Using Pythagoras, we find the adjacent side is 4, so cosine is 4/5. Then, we simply plug these fractions into our formula to get 24 over 25. If we look at the graphs, the gray wave is the standard sine wave with a period of 360 degrees. The purple wave is sine of 2 theta. Notice that it repeats twice as often. Doubling the angle inside the function essentially doubles the frequency of the wave. Why do we learn this? In physics, it simplifies projectile motion equations for finding distance. In electrical engineering, it helps analyze power in AC circuits. And in calculus, turning a product of sine and cosine into a single double angle term makes integration much easier. To summarize, the formula is sine 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cosine theta. It comes from the sine addition rule. It is useful for changing the shape of expressions in calculus and physics, and remember, it doubles the frequency of the function. Thanks for watching. Make sure to practice applying this formula to different angles to get comfortable with it. In the next video, we will cover the double angle formulas for cosine, which has 3 different variations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.